Here with the owner of Kraken Vanz. He's working on a crafter van at the moment. This is a van in build. So he's just going to talk me through this project and talk about his business.
Thank you, Martin. I own Kraken Vanz, West Cornwall. Customer came to us wanting a completely bespoke van. He's going to go, well, he's actually going to Portugal to help his friend build a house, so he needs something he could live in. He's obviously gone for the high bed race van type look. Yeah, it's got the solar panels, got Truma boiler, remote inverter, all these switches here control the external lights for the van, because obviously he's going to be parked in some dark places. Also, Kraken, when I started Kraken Vanz, I wanted to make a bespoke, like a bespoke service. So everything that you see, cupboards, everything is all cut by hand, routed by hand. We don't use any kits, we don't use any CNC machines. I mean, there's a lot of edges to finish off, but we had Martin coming, and this is as far as we've got for today, really. So I mean, if you want something building completely unique, you know, we can help you. We do van windows, anything to do carpet line and insulation, basically anything to do with your van, we can help you with. We're fully qualified window fitters. We use fully qualified electricians to sign our work off and install it, and same with the gas, because I've got children and I wouldn't want anyone to jeopardise my children by someone not doing a job that they're not trained to do. We buy our glass in direct from the manufacturer. We'll get a crate like this, obviously the Varo glass and the T5 glass. That's what we buy in bulk. That allows us to pass the savings to you. Custom glass. This is a new shape for Varo box glass. We get next day delivery. We have really good relationships with glass wholesalers, allowing us to to pass on our savings to you, the customer. The bond that we use is insurance grade, because as being West Cornwall, we work direct with most major insurance companies.